Hi friends, this video shows how to set pattern lock. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. See, so right now this phone is not protected with pattern or pin lock. See, I can easily access. I will show you how we can set a pattern lock. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on lock screen, tap on screen lock type. Here you can see list of screen lock type. Right now I am using swipe. I am going to change this to pattern. Tap on pattern, then set one pattern, tap on continue, draw the same pattern, tap on confirm, done, then tap on done. You can see screen lock type was changed to pattern. Let me verify. Close this, lock the screen, unlock. See, it's asking for the pattern. I need to draw this pattern, then only I can access the phone. So this way we can set pattern lock. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.